guys, welcome to another video of grade 10 math difficulty chart OB. So you haven't heard of part 1, this is part 1, so let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's go. Skip. While I played it. Well, so here goes stage 13. This stage 13. Stage 13 is addition commutative through shake of 1. Oh, this is a wall wrap. Don't get discarded. Though it looks easy, then it looks. Here goes. Word 35 is word form is 25, 25th, no, 25th, 25. Okay. This OB would be easy. Try and find a shortcut to avoid wasting your time. Okay, 16. 5 hundreds and 7 tens and 7 ones. 575. No, 575. Okay, let's see. Which expression is equal to 6 plus 5? Expression is 6 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. Okay, this is kind of hard. It's not easy. People who... Okay, this is 2 blocks ahead. 16 plus 14 minus 11. 1 plus 1, 2. So 6 plus 4. So that's gonna be 1. 6 plus 4, 10 minus 1, 15. Easy. Don't get confused by this last stage. Okay. In the pattern 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, how much do you add to get to the next number? 9. That's 10, 12, 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 3. Gotcha. Oh, I got really the gotcha. The throw. No, I forgot it. I forgot. Now I gotta jump. I got trolled. I got trolled. 20. 7 plus 8 plus 11. 7 plus 8. 14 plus 11. Oh no, I lost it. I'm wrong. 5 plus 9 plus 9. I'm gonna do plus 9. It's gonna be 14 plus 9. 1, grade 2, starting grade 2, grade 2nd grade low mode. I'm not a noob. If I wish I could just go there. have 12 marbles, and then you give your to your friend with, and your friend after this you are left with 5 marbles. How is it you can be friend? Seven, I guess. Friends could so if 7 plus 8, so that's gonna be 30. That's it, guys. Goodbye, and next video, part 3.